skill sheet number 45, I'm going to be doing a lateral x-ray of a bird. So I have my calibrations already set. It's set to tabletop. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tape the head down. And then the tail. I'm going to make sure the feet are pulled down. And then if we needed to visualize the legs separately, we'd have to separate them. And then the wings are pulled out behind. And then you mark the carpus with an X. Same with this one. And I've got the right marker, and then I would use my lead gloves. I've got my lead apron on, my thyroid shield, and my dosimetry badge.